These things are the bane of my life. If I don't watch it, I get locked in the cage all the time. Often enough to make me feel like an idiot. So I've learned, or I'm learning. And in here are my girls and my blue boys. And there's Dove, which is my Splash Polish. And see, you can see what he did in here with the roosting bars. And I think we're just going to do little nesting boxes for these guys. I'm trying to give them a chance to eat all their grass. And there's all my other girls. There's Biddy. Biddy, Biddy. Biddy, Biddy. So. And there's my other girls. I think I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in this one. So. These are my blue black Splash. And then I have a couple of the chicks that I think are Splash. Because eventually I will probably move the Splash and maybe the black into their own place. And then Splash with the boys. So I will keep you up to date. These are all my babies. This is their new home. They're doing really good. They've been eating a lot more food, so I'm thinking we were having dominance and Jack was chasing the chickens from the food, other than the chickens he grew up with.